the walls of Lucca, not so many people knows that these walls, they have bunkers, like shelters. We have 11 bastions all around the town. Just recently, a few of these bastions were restored by the local town, and now it's possible to visit them. They're really special. And I would like to introduce you to this bastion with a camera. So follow me. And look, inside we can find immediately the tunnel. Nowadays are guessed inside these strange artifacts because we have also in Lucca a festival about the recycled paper. And so these ostriches were guessed inside for this year, otherwise they could be destroyed. But it's a nice way to see how this wall, along the centuries, was stratified. Because inside this bastion, Santa Croce bastion, this is the name of this specific bastions, we can find 3 levels of 3 moments of the whole walls of Lucca. Come on. This is the first stop into the tunnel, because right here I am surrounded by the ruin of the first little medieval tower that correspond to the town walls of the 1260. Just coming here, if you can follow me, you can see just around the corner the ruin, the relic that was absorbed by the walls of the 16th centuries. You can see the relics of the medieval wall. This wall was abandoned and then absorbed by the new one, if it's new, it's 1513. And you can see also the poster of the cannons when you see the holes on the right and the left. But this bastions of 1513 was not enough for the defense. So they extended the bastion, and now we will follow a very special tunnel. Such a long way to reach the new post for the cannons, the weapons that they changed completely the defense of all the European towns. Lucca was strong enough, was wealthy enough to afford new architects at that time, till 1680, to found these new shelters able to get inside all the type of cannons that the town of Lucca needed to be defended and to be safe. Because the most important target for Lucca along the centuries was the freedom. And here we are. Above our head in this moment, we have tons and tons of materials of earth. The trees even are above our head. And this is the area, the post for the cannons, that they could be pointed toward the outside, toward the fields. We had kind of cannons pretty strong in this point for a saturation fire, it's called like this in technical way, and all the space around at that time was completely covered with soldiers, gun pounders, and all the equipment that the soldiers needed to save Lucca. So you can see that it's still untouched, and it's possible to visit. If you come with us, you can visit this incredible place. So look, we are on the top of the wall, and now you can trust me, because you can see all the line of trees behind me, and we are on the same bastion that we have visited just a few minutes ago. Just down here, we have all the tunnels. But look the beauty of this place. You can see all the people that is coming with the dogs, doing picnics with the babies. Nowadays, it's one of the most incredible park, really, that we have in Lucca.